One. But bro, fucking these bitches up.
Y'all see what it is? D-Sport TV, y'all getting in crappy. I mean, we caught so full lucky. My boy Lucky.
I wanna say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10.
We don't
But we
10
10.
so
We ain't been here 10 minutes.
Y'all see what it is? D-Sport TV, y'all. My boy Lucky, he do the tattoos and swings, bro, too. Everybody come to him.
Yeah, man. Bro, killing them. Bro, killing them right now.
Y'all see what it is?
Boy, we got 10 goddamn crap.
Yeah, look at this, my little honey hole, man.
What's going on, bro? You know, I don't mind. Would have been out here, that good had me.
Yeah, we would have came out here this morning, boy.
Yeah, that
Look at that.
Damn, boy! The fuck?
Y'all see what it is? Get them slabs in.
Hey,
That's some slabs.
Hey, that nigga ain't bullshit, boy. Let me get the whole bucket full of this. Don't stick me now, baby. I know you mad. Oh, still sticking me. Ain't biting me. It's y'all good. Kind of worm is that?
This that damn Lucky Charm.
This damn, it's something.
That damn Lucky Charm worm here, boy.
I ain't mad at you.
I done caught what, about 5 while you still trying to put a hook on.
Yeah, you know, hell, 10. Shit, that's how I thought of it like that. And you fucking them bitches up instantly. My country ass still.
Don't worry, man. This for you. Don't worry, this for you, man.
You never been down that road before. I know how it go.
Yeah, man. Don't worry, man. This for you. No fish for you, man. Your fish fry, man. Look at that. They fighting right there.
Huh?
They fighting right there.
I'm on the air now, though.
Yeah, they fighting right there. I see them. They're up on the lily pads right there. Look. He right there looking at me.
Oh. Beat me and let it go.
Hey, you probably need to get right here and wind that joker in straight right here, man.
You good? Go ahead, do
No,
thing,
them jokers up on the hill. I'm finna get them up on the hill.
I'm in the little pass too.
Look at that, like a big black one. He done ran over there now. Watch this, Lucky. He right there, Lucky. Watch this. They fighting right there. I should have had that joke go deep. Ooh, boy, there's a bunch on right there. Look at that. They fighting right there. I said they fighting right there. By the time me switch to another one, they about to chew this one up.
Yeah, I got some more niggas here.
Dang. I took a spit it back at me. He spit it back at me, look. I want to get tangled up. Yeah, I see about 5 or 6 on them right there. Damn, 3 don't got off. A slab looking.
Fucking them up.
Think about it, you finna have you a good fish fry.
And crappie. Yeah.
Go away. I'm glad to push that worm back. Go ahead. I'm glad to push that that grass back that way. Let it go down. Let it go down some. Now wind it in. Yeah, let that just go down in the water. Dang.
Got one too?
Hell yeah, he tangled up though. Damn, he got off. Nah, he got, yeah. He caught him around that lily pad.
Yeah, that's what I said on lily pad.
Yeah, he caught him around that lily pad. I'm gonna get him back. Watch this. He's still right there. I'm gonna chop these damn bushes down right here. This was getting me right here. Dang, it came out his mouth. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna move down on that little edge down there. So I'm gonna move down on that little edge, see what they do for a minute, let them rest. Come on here. That's right, heavy here.
Yeah. Well, that's some of your bait thing or what?
What's that?
The one you fishing with?
Yeah, these right here. Lime greens. These right here.
They're like worms and shit.
And while you winding in slow, what they do, that tail be moving like this right here. Cause them crappies, they like for stuff to keep moving. And here you go.
Oh, let me see this. Yeah, this shit we just bought. He said this. I'm gonna try these.
Put one of these right here on there.
What about these? You think they bite? He said that what they bite. That's what he said.
I don't know. I go with what I got.
Look at them. I'm putting them on.
Yeah, I go with what I got. Shoot. If they biting what I got, I stick with what I got.
Bite this here though. That bit green too.
Probably need to pull some of that paint off.